The halogen bulb blew in my lathe lamp. I went searching for an LED replacement. Found nothing locally, so went to the old eBay. Free freight if you're prepared to wait.
My lathe's still in bits with this broken compound and swivel slide. I've got those both on order with Hare and Forbes. And in the meantime, I've got a globe blown in the lamp. I've taken the glass out, which is held in by that sort of circlip, and I've bought an LED replacement. It needs to be 24 volt to replace the incandescent sort of maybe halogen globe that was in there originally. That's made up of a whole lot of little LEDs, as you can see. All those little square patches are
Cob LEDs.
Anyway, also, when I received this, it cost about $2.50 and it took a month or more to get here. You can see in there it says 24 volt. It needs to be 12 to 24 volt, AC or DC. Those legs are a little bit more splayed, so I used two pairs of pliers, a pair of pointy nose on the root of the pin and a larger pair to angle those in. But now they fit in the socket properly. I'll fit it and come back. That's it fitted in the lamp holder. It with those legs narrowed in, it fitted well. It wouldn't fit until I narrow those legs down. Now I'll turn the main power to the lathe on. Oh well, that flashing is not something that's to do with the AC affecting the camera, but that's pretty bloody bright. I'll move away from that. Yeah, stopped flashing. That seems to be a pretty bright light. I think a lot brighter than the original. I'll put the lens back in. I'm pretty happy with the extra brightness of that globe. It's a whiter light and it should last a lot longer being LED.
It's going to take 3 months to fix my compound, so get out to your shed and have some fun while your machine still works.